Can you guess the world's most luxurious house and where it is located? A stunning home is a treasure forever, particularly if it's a beautiful multi-million-dollar worth. Some expensive homes across the world are quite impressive, not only by their appearance, but also because of the luxurious amenities, interiors, and location of the house. In this video, we are going to show you the top luxurious homes in the world. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. 4. Fairfield Pond. You can't have a list of the most luxurious houses in the world and not have one in New York City. 4 Fairfield Pond is one of the most expensive houses in the world. The 63-acre home has all of the following: 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, a colossal 90-foot dining room, a bowling alley, basketball courts, tennis courts, squash courts, and last but not least, 3 luxury swimming pools. The house even has its own power plant located on site, which provides all the energy it needs to function. The garage of the home is also pretty cool and can hold 100 cars. Les Palais Buelles. Nicknamed the Bubble Palace because of its unique design, the group of houses overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, providing beautiful views. It was built between 1875 and 1989. The deed to the property would give you complete access to 3 swimming pools, several large gardens, and best of all, a 500-seat amphitheater built into the hillside. Pierre Cardin, the owner of the home, splashed $390 million on this home, which is almost half of his estimated net worth of $800 million. Strangely, he doesn't even use it as his main residence. It's actually just a holiday home for him. Pretty bizarre. Villa Leopolda. The Villa Leopolda covers an astonishing 50 acres and is a world of luxury. The villa contains 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a greenhouse, a helipad, an outdoor kitchen, and if all that wasn't enough, it also has one of the nicest swimming pools you will ever see. The property is actually quite famous as well. Alfred Hitchcock's 1955 film To Catch a Thief was filmed there. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get back to our topic. The One. Once you step inside or see the interiors, you will believe that the name given to the residence building is not a misnomer. With its 26-foot high ceilings, the home's main entrance leads to an array of gathering areas with panoramic 360-degree views of the Pacific Ocean, downtown Los Angeles, and the San Gabriel Mountains. By building 21 bedrooms with 42 bathrooms and a 30-car fleet garage gallery with 2-car display turntables, anyone who wishes to live here can accommodate anything he wishes to have. The Odeon Tower Penthouse. The penthouse is a 35,000 square foot apartment that is located at the very top of one of the most expensive buildings in Monaco. The penthouse is spread out over several floors and even includes its own private elevator. So, although you would be living in a building with other people in it, they wouldn't be able to access your part of the building at all. One of the most iconic features of this penthouse, however, is its private water slide into a 360-degree infinity pool, which offers the most outstanding view of the city. Antilla. Located in Mumbai, India, and owned by India's richest man Mukesh Ambani, Antilla is not only one of the most expensive homes in the world, but it is also one of the most famous homes in the world. With 400,000 square feet of space within the building, it stands an impressive 27 stories high. It was built to withstand earthquakes up to level 8 on the scale, which makes sense considering the building is worth a solid $1 billion. 6 of the 27 floors of the building are dedicated solely to car storage, a temple, and a 50-seat movie theater. To keep Antilla running, there is about 600 fully employed staff that work there. Xanadu 2.0. Microsoft founder Bill Gates and his family live in a 66,000 square foot estate on the shore of Lake Washington in Medina, Washington. The nickname for the home is Xanadu 2.0, after the estate of the title character in the movie Citizen Kane, designed by James Cutler Architects and Bolin Sewinski Jackson. The house has a modern design in the Pacific Lodge style, The property is a 7-bedroom house with 18 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, a movie theater that can accommodate about 20 guests, a garage that can take 23 cars, an artificial stream, and a private library. It is surrounded by trees that help regulate the heat around it. Not surprisingly, high technology is a key element within the compound. Everyone wears a pin with a special chip that upon entrance of a room automatically adjusts temperature, music, and lighting based on their preferences. To ensure privacy, much of the structure is buried into the hillside, but windows on the lakefront side of the house provides views of the lake and Seattle to the west. Inside the mansion, there is a grand staircase, a family wing, a guest wing, a theater, exercise facilities, and a pool building with a 17 by 60 foot swimming pool that has an underwater music system. In 2006, a private tunnel was constructed to the entrance of the house. So, that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked the video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.